There is so much in Manhattan. It's a city with good industry and good schools. It's a lively town with enough amusement to help us forget the cares of the day. We live in a progressive, ever-growing town. We like to live here, for this is our town, Manhattan, Kansas, USA.
A lot has changed in Manhattan since then. Today, Manhattan continues to be one of the most admired towns in the Midwest. With a high quality of life, a lively economy, a top-tier university, charming neighborhoods, and commercial districts with character. The population has nearly tripled, and the city has more than doubled in size. We continue to develop, revitalize, and enhance our city. But behind all of this development are policies called zoning and subdivision regulations. These policies are the DNA of our city's development and determine where things can be built, how they function, and what they look like. Manhattan has had zoning codes since 1926, and while it's been updated numerous times, the year 1969 marks when our current model of regulations were adopted, with the last major update in 1996. A lot has changed since then in the realm of city planning and the goals of our community. Coordinated and efficient growth, resiliency in preserving natural resources, multimodal transportation, healthy, livable neighborhoods offering a variety of lifestyle options, quality of life and sense of place standards, and diverse economic development. A lot has changed around the world of Manhattan, too. New building techniques, housing types, lifestyle choices, transportation options, and economic trends have changed greatly just in the last few decades. These changes in many ways have rendered our current code clunky, difficult to adapt, and less relevant. So, for the past couple of years, the city of Manhattan has been in the process of updating and adapting its zoning and subdivision codes through what's known as the Unified Development Ordinance. The goal of this process is to align the code with the community vision for land use and development adopted in the comprehensive plan, while creating a modern code that meets the needs of a thriving city. Utilizing advances in data analysis, computer mapping, modeling, and remote imaging have provided the tools necessary to better assess development patterns and trends. This allows us to make a data-driven code that's better tailored to our existing conditions, allowing us to see where we've been, where we're going, and the changes necessary to get there. The new code will be hosted online in a more visual and user-friendly format, allowing for ease of access and understanding for all levels of users. We will be going through more substantial components of the new code in future videos, which will cover topics like districts and overlays, design standards, and access and connectivity. We expect to roll out new videos every few weeks leading up to the adoption of the Unified Development Ordinance. These topics will also be discussed extensively at future public meetings with the Manhattan Urban Area Planning Board and the Manhattan City Commission. Stay tuned!